Granny and Grandpa Pig have come to visit.
This is ridiculous.
Hello, everyone.
I like your funny written. I like your funny hat, George. Your hat isn't funny, Grandpa.
We pretend to be a bird.
Look, Grandpa.
Let's do some more bird calls.
I can do a duck. Quack, quack. It worked. Do your pigeon, George. Do your pig, George.
Today I'm going to make apple.
Yummy!
Let me finish the sentence.
Today I'm going to make apple.
What kind would you like? Big or small? Red or green? On the count of 3, shake the tree. 1. Ha ha ha! 3.
Nice.
It's about drive. It's about...
Grandpa, why don't you like it?
I don't like the way it looks at me.
Sleeping Beauty.
What?
Once upon a time, there was...
That's a nice story, Peppa.